Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, if this is your first time here on Gordon Guitar, please subscribe to this channel. I will promise you that you won't regret that. And if you have been here before, what are you waiting for? Take your time right now, subscribe, and let's go on. We have this cool song here with Why Don't We? And the song called Love Back. So this is an uplifting song and a great input to this channel here. So let's start here with the capo set on the 2nd fret, and we have 5 different chords to learn here. So let's start with the A. So that it's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Then we have this D chord with an F sharp in the bass. Sounds like this, and you grab it here on the 2nd fret E string, the open A string, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, next chord will be G. So 3rd fret on E, 2nd fret on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next one will be B minor. So you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th fret here on the D string, 4th on the G string, and 3rd on the B string. And the final chord will be D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So yeah, there's the chord, guys. So this one is pretty easy to handle. So we have this verse here. We will have it played with 1 down for each chord. And on some places you will do this clap here. And let's start with the A chord here first. And then you do the clap. And sometimes we do the clap here on the strings. That could be effectful sometimes, but for this song, do it here on the body, on the tree here, okay? Right under the strings, since we want the strings to ring out, so we don't want to mute it. So like this, you kill the sound. So you want this to ring out and the clap, okay? So A, clap. Then you go to the D with the F sharp. And then quick to G and clap. Okay, so again, A, clap, then F sharp, G, clap, then B minor, A, clap, F sharp, G, clap. And that is one chord progression. So just to repeat, A, clap, F sharp, G, clap, B minor, A, clap, F sharp, G, clap. And by F sharp, I mean, of course, the D with the F sharp in the bass. So just to be clear there. So A, F sharp, G, B minor, A, F sharp, G. And the claps comes right after the A, the G, the 2nd A, and the 2nd G. Yeah. So you're gonna play 2 rounds of this for the first verse. And then comes the pre-chorus. In the lyrics showed you what heaven could taste like. And there you're gonna play 1 round, same as you played here in the verse. 1 round for with one down for each chord. So you play basically 3 rounds, verse plus the pre-chorus, in the same way. So yeah, that leads us to the chorus, and here it will change a bit. So we can start with the chord progression first. It will be B minor, G, D, A. Okay, then comes the F sharp, G, B minor, A, and F sharp. That is one chord progression, pretty long there, but we will repeat this and go through how we're gonna play this as well. So just a quick repetition here for the chords, and then I'm gonna show you how to handle them. So B minor, G, D, A, F sharp, G, B minor, A, and F sharp. Okay, so that is one chord progression, like I said, and you will play it for 3 rounds for this chorus. So we're gonna start here with the B minor. So for this one, you're gonna play 2 downs fast. It will be only downs for this song here. So nothing like down ups and like this, only downs. But this one will be 2 downs on the B minor, and quickly switch to the G, 2 downs. So B, B, G, G. Okay. And then comes the D, A. You switch pretty fast between those chords too. You're gonna play 3 downs on D and 2 downs on A. So to connect these 4 chords, B, B, G, G, D, 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 A, A. Okay, again. Okay, then we go on here to the F sharp. I'm gonna play 3 downs and G, 3 downs. So F sharp here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we want to connect this with the first part. So let's go from the start here from the B minor. Okay, then we move on here with the B minor to A. That will be the same there as we just played. 3 downs on B minor and 3 downs on A. Okay, so B minor, A, 3 downs on each chord, and then it ends with 3 downs on the F sharp. So the final part here, B minor, A, and F sharp, will be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna play this slow for you, try to. Like I mentioned many times before on this channel, it's always harder to play anything slower than it is. So I'm gonna try to play it slow for you, and then we're gonna speed up and see how it sounds. So let's go. Yeah, so that is 1 round for this chorus, and standard tempo sounds like this. Yeah, and I actually went too far there, 4 rounds. It's only 3 rounds, but that is because this song is so fun to play and great. So 3 rounds of this chorus. Then it's basically not that much new to the song. The second verse will be played in the same way as the first verse. And the same goes for the pre-chorus, the second pre-chorus, same there. And almost the same here on the second chorus again, we just looked at that. And instead of playing just 3 rounds for the second chorus, you will play it for 4 rounds, like I just did. So you can say, I played the second chorus before. Yeah. So the second chorus, 4 rounds. And then after this second chorus comes a bridge part. So it will be in the same chord progression there as the chorus. So starts with this A. And yeah, no, sorry, it's just the same chord progression as in the verse. So as in the verse there. So you're gonna play 2 rounds of these chords. The first round will be only down, 1 down for each chord. So it starts with A and then F sharp, G, B minor, A, F sharp and G. That is 1 round. And the second round, the second and final round, you will play in the exact same way as you play the verse, with the claps after the A's and the G's that we play there. So 2 rounds in total of the chords you find in the verse for this bridge part. And then it ends with a third and final chorus there. And after this chorus comes the instrumental part as well. So in total, you will play 5 rounds, included with the end there, with the instrumental part there. So 5 rounds of the chords from the chorus. And that wraps this up, this tutorial here. Why don't we love back? So I hope you could love back to this channel. I hope if this was helpful for you, please subscribe, please give it a like, and yeah, see you soon. Don't forget guys, like always, play tuned.